Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy Bitcoin in Gemini app. If you don't have a Gemini account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 of Bitcoin after you buy or sell $100. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the option that says Market. At the upper right side of the screen, you will see a search icon. Tap on the search icon. On the search bar, search for Bitcoin. After selecting Bitcoin, you will see a trade button at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Trade. Then several options will appear. Tap on Buy. Now, select whether it is a one-time purchase or a recurring buy. In this video, I chose once. Tap on the option you wish to select. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then tap on Continue. After that, choose whether to buy only, or buy and earn interest. If you chose buy only, your Bitcoin will be kept in your trading balance. Then if you chose buy and earn interest, your Bitcoin will be transferred to Gemini Earn, wherein you will earn 1.01% annual percentage year. Tap on the option you wish to select. Then select a payment method. If you haven't added a payment method yet, tap on Add Bank or Debit Card, and follow the on-screen instructions on how to add. Lastly, review the order summary. If everything looks good, swipe to confirm. That's how you buy Bitcoin in Gemini app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.